Recording?
Yeah.
You sure? Huh?
Yeah.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
We're back on the channel. Yeah. This is the other car. So this is not the BMW. This is the Corsa. So we've got a problem with it. One of the lights is gone. So this light, that's completely gone. So if you just bring it closer, yeah, you can see that it's completely dead. Absolutely gone. So yes, we just need to change over them. But so the lights, the light bulbs, if you can see, just the light bulbs. The main one for it is just here, so you can see it's just literally there. What you normally do is screw it across, and then that pops out, and then you got a rejig, and then you got like kind of a little clip in there, just right behind there, to take it out. Yes, so you can hear the noise of the clip, and you take it out, and then boom, you got that. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this replaced. So I'll be back in 2 seconds. Boom. So we got the bulbs. If you come here. So one thing which I nearly forgot with the new bulbs, never ever touch that bit. Yeah, so don't touch that bit, just go for it. But I can't remember how I've done this before, but I can't remember how I did it last. I think it's just, yes, there we go. There we go. So this is the old bulb. Just remember, don't touch that bit. Pretty much that one done, but just to make sure that we're all good. And it's the same bulbs as last time. Perfect. As you can see, it's the new one, brand new bulb. So it should just slot back. Actually, you want to make sure that the car is off before we do it. Isn't that right, Nate?
Yep.
Make sure the car is off. Take out the keys and everything before you electrocute yourself. So I've done that. Make sure that's in properly. Now this is the difficult bit. Last time when I did this, I struggled a lot. All done. Put the cap back on, and now we can see if it's actually, so that is nice and tight, just to see that works. Let's see if I've done the job. You ready? Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Nicely done. Alright, so I'm going to do the other one. I know that I don't have to do the other one, but I just want to make sure that both bulbs are done, completely done, and they're not going to run out on me. So this one won't run out later in the day, and then I have to redo it again. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this one, and then be back in a sec. This is the same process as the other side, so there's nothing different to it. You just twist the cap off. I said that you had to screw the cap off, but there's no tools which are involved in getting it off. So it's just a twist, pops out, and then you can pop out the little bulb holder, and then it's just the same process. But the only challenging bit is that the air filter box is really close to the where you remove the bulb. That's the only bit that I struggled just to get it back on, but you won't see that because I completely cut it out. All done. That's how you change light bulbs. Let's just double check if they're both. Which is annoying. The engine management light is on. See the little engine. I've got a little tool I use just to see what it is. Okay, so we know about that one. We know about that one, and we know about that one. So it's nothing new. Codes. Still gonna fix it, but that's for another video. So again, it was just both of the headlights just to be changed. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and give me a like. But that was just a quick video just to change them, and that was pretty much it. But thank you again for subscribing and liking all my videos, and I will see you guys soon.